Good morning. Good afternoon. How is everyone? Good morning, Living with Quiz. Good morning, Hotto. Mitchie. No, you were the first. No, you were the fourth. Some Chinese letters. Marvin Schippers, welcome. Jake, the main guy. We are gonna. I don't know after that. Let's go. How is everyone? How is everyone? I agree with 88k, to be honest. 100 people already. Jesus. So how is everyone feeling? I don't know why, but the first song of this playlist, it always has a certain hype to it, you know? It's like... Made my first $90 yesterday following you. That's amazing news, man. Congratulations. I'm good. I'm good. I'm excited, man. Oh, New York Fire. Fresh day. We nicely kickstarted yesterday. It's... I don't know. What does Sanduku mean, my friend? It's... I'm feeling good. I don't know why. I feel like today is going to be our day, guys. It's... Yeah. Crazy. 28 likes already. Ramp them up. Come on, guys. There's nothing to see here yet, so... Ooh, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. What have you been up to? Bitcoin did a bit of the dirty deed, guys. I'm feeling a lot better, man. I'm fresh, I'm ready, I'm excited. I don't know. I'm more than ready today, man. But Bitcoin did the dirty deed. Bro, huge sell? Yeah, it's a massive sell-off, guys. And we keep on seeing some interesting sell-offs. And even though it tries to shift out, it's not really doing it, is it? So, New York can have two things, right? Of course it can have two things. One, we know for sure the chart is moving to the right, but it can either start pumping like crazy and start recovering the gap pretty fast, or we're gonna see a continuation. So, let me pin the Discord link. Guys, we started the 1k challenge yesterday for the people in the Discord. We already made 3k, guys. So let's run a bit of a poll here. Who caught the short? Who did it? Is it yes or no? I'm gonna run a poll. So not everyone has to type like an absolute maniac in chat. But who caught it? When did you make 3k? Bro, it is all in the Discord. It's absolutely all in the Discord, man. The entry, the exit, the updates. I can't bring the Discord up, but I can promise you everything is there. Look at my corner. It's open for everyone. Yo, Nico Shanto is the marketing king. I don't know about that, man. I don't think I have enough followers to be a marketing king, to be honest. Huh. Okay, give link to Discord. It's pinned on the top. It's legit the pinned comment that says join the Discord. I have to get used a bit. I have a new streaming light, and I don't know if it's just the light, but it feels warm, even though it doesn't radiate anything since it's an LED light. But yeah. So you see, 73% of the people caught it. Oh, 73% didn't. My apologies. 27% caught it. Where was the rest, guys? So if I post something on the Discord, people don't respond to it. Yeah. Maybe I'm bugging. Yeah, the pinned comment is actually there. I can 100% promise you that the pinned comment is there. I can see it. Yeah. We thought you always are gonna trade live. Yo, Salas, why? Listen, guys, to avoid a big discussion and big issues, it's a 24-hour market. How would people possibly expect me? What? How would it be even remotely possible to only trade during New York session? Did you close the short from Discord? Did the 300 hit? If so, yes. It's that easy, guys. If I say Azal at 300, if you hold afterwards, it's your thing, your issue, not mine. I post on Shanto. The thing is, it's a 24-hour market, guys. And I'm doing this for free, and I'm doing this for education, I'm doing this for you guys. But you cannot expect me that every trade that happens is only going to be here. It's impossible. Because then New York has to move, the stars need to align, everyone needs to be on board, everyone needs to be behind the computer, etc, etc, etc. Listen, I can promise you, no matter how people will manage to lose money, if I would do copy trading, which don't get me wrong is absolute dog shit, people would still do the wrong settings and mess it up. I swear. So, try to get as much education out of my streams. Try to get as much input or whatever and scalp along with me if you want to. Bro, what section exactly? It's called Shanto. It's in the VIP den and it has my name on it. That must be feasible, right? Like, come on. Should have posted on X. Guys, listen. So, again, I do everything for free, eh? So I need to update the Discord, I need to go live on YouTube, I need to take the entry, I need to post on Instagram, I need to post on X. So, in between all of this posting and all of this content and education, when am I expected to sleep and trade? Or we just stop trading and we stop sleeping in general? Because I honestly don't see a way how it should be possible, to be honest. So I'm here every day during the New York hours. I start streaming around 15 CET. That's 3 o'clock in the afternoon for me. I end whenever I feel like it. And you guys can ask me anything, everything, for absolute free. And that's the maximum I'm going to provide. And that's the maximum I'm going to give to you guys. If that's not enough, or you guys want more, or whatever, we have. Listen, if anyone wants to have full one-on-one coaching, and me completely dedicated to them, it's possible. Send me 1 million and we can talk. Everything in between, trust me, I do my absolute utmost best to help everyone and to be there for you guys. But I cannot provide more than I'm already providing. It's looking bullish. Yeah. It sort of is, isn't it? We're semi-holding this order cluster and this volume cluster. The next interesting level is 92.5. But we have the 90k untapped. That's a bit tricky, isn't it? Untapped 90k. That's tricky. 67 likes, guys. Come on. The only thing I'm asking in return from you guys, create a general chatting section on Discord. Bro. We have that. You want my ticket to heaven? Yeah. Listen, I don't even know if I'm going to make it myself to heaven, so I would not completely bet on it. Have you used the modded indicator? I'm actively testing it, trying it, working with it. Guys, we're still below 100 likes. So 250 amazing people here. 87 likes. Before we get to at least 100, I'll just sit here and shut up. 100 likes. Thank you very much. So, I'm worried. Big block waiting on 86. That might very well be, my friend. There's a huge block on 86. Next to that, it went up easy. It comes down easy. Right now, if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't even be touching this shit, man. Yeah, you can get the rows by get notified. It's very easy. Thank you for providing this live. It's giving me more clarity. You're more than welcome. Are these guys in the disc? I don't know. What leverage or lot size do you trade? The Dawn, that depends from day to day, to position. Right now we're running a challenge, so I have no clear answer on that. There's some, I'm not gonna read that out loud. How do I get Shan to notify in the Discord? You can go to get rows and just click my name on top. It's that easy. It's that easy, man. So right now, I'm very excited for New York. I see price marking up quite heavily. I don't know what's gonna happen, to be honest. I think it's gonna be rather interesting. Why? Yeah. We had dump. We had another dump. We did some more dumping. Let's see if we can actually either pump or at least hold the level. But I know one thing for sure, guys. It's gonna be a bloodbath at New York Open. At least 93 might be. What's crazy about BTC, it just moves in one direction. Bro, it moved in two directions. It came from 97, we remember that, White. It wasn't even a week ago. So, as of now, my honest opinion is wait until New York takes a direction. I'm not looking for longs, I'm not looking for shorts, I'm looking for momentum. And as soon as I see the right momentum, and I think we can scale in, I will take it and I will try to enjoy the ride. New York is opening in 22 minutes exactly. Zero position right now is so the best. Yeah. Listen, right now would be an absolute coin flip. And I'm not a gambler, I'm a trader. Even though a lot of people saying to me that I'm gambling or I'm a clown or whatever. But hey, listen, the first try in the Discord, we failed the 1k doubling challenge. Yesterday we made 2,700 and this morning we made another 400. So we're up 3k. We're at 4k right now. So, I don't know, guys. If you lose 1,000 and then make 3k the day after, is it gambling? Or is it just having multiple tries and knowing that you can hit a home run and know what you're doing? People have been calling me gambling now for a couple weeks or even months. But if it's actually true, I'm the best gambler in the world. Whatever. Shanto, why silver pumping like that? Because people are... The thing is, and that's what's pretty interesting at the current market, people are starting to avoid risk on assets. And risk on assets still are performing. So the traditional markets and the stock markets are still not giving the rejections or the movement that we would expect from it. But yet the traditional, or at least the safety. Why are you on Scalpex? Because I own it. I think that's a pretty solid explanation. I am the owner of Scalpex. And I'm gonna eat my sausage in between. Okay, in chat, guys, start typing. Bro, no trade has started. Guys, start typing. What do you guys think? Long or short? Go. I want to see how the chat is positioned. Long, short, long, long. Yeah, indeed, there is a huge industrial demand for silver. And silver and gold are also in most of the SMD productions. Everyone says so long, so short. Bro, I think most people are longing. Judging by the chat, most of you are longing. I swear, long bro. If you start swearing on positions, it's mostly pretty close to where you get liquidated. So keep in mind and be careful. Swearing that you go to a certain direction and being absolutely certain is what absolutely annihilates most of the people. Yeah, indeed, a lot of liquidity will indeed be injected. But that doesn't necessarily mean that everything is going up. So that's something we have to take into account as well. Right now, guys, all I can say is that the chart will 100% move to the right. Everything that comes after, let it breathe. Let it look. Let New York take a direction. Right? There's no gain to be made. And right now, trying to guess where we're going or where we're heading. If you do not hit the likes, you will have to ride a Dutch bicycle for a week without a saddle. Yeah, 100%. So 122 likes, I think we can get easily to 150. Easily. Listen, guys, it's... How much you have in your account now? Jack in the box. This account now has $500. Because if I don't see a trade, that's what I'm going to play with today. And I'm going to see how far I can ramp it up. The doubling account is at 4k. 290 viewers, 130 likes. It's less than half, guys. Come on. Likes is the only thing I'm asking for. And it is absolutely free. And still only less than half of the people is supplying it to us. A bit of a pity, right? I remember when we were at the 300 viewer resistance. And look at where we are now. Absolutely amazing. What do you plan to do with the 500? I plan on trading with it. Because that's, yeah, sort of my thing. I'm just waiting, guys. We have to wait for New York Open. So in the meantime, drop your questions. Drop things that you want to know or want to see or whatever, trading related. If I can't see something for the challenge, we're way ahead anyways. Because I already completed tomorrow as well. Then I'll trade with the 500. You're in max C today? I don't know yet. You won't be trading gold? I never traded gold, so why start now? Never change your winning team, right? When you finish your 22-hour streaming, could you come here and scratch my back? Of course, buddy. You want a bubble bat with that as well? I want to know when to short River? Bro. Okay, River is a nice one, man. I think I drew it out last week, what I was seeing on it. And then I said absolutely not to fucking touch it. But yeah, people, I don't know, neglectability, I guess. River, USDTP, swap, Bybit. I thought I put lines at this stuff. When to short it? Right now, at this condition, absolutely freaking never. You could aim for a double top, because you have a couple of order blocks. This is an order block. And right here, it might aim for double top, but it looked like it was rejecting. But the thing is, since the second candle after it is already opening green again, it's not even rejecting. The only thing I can tell you is that the liquidity clusters relay here. So if you're looking for a short of something, it would be aiming for here for a bounce. It's not going to break this at once because of the strength. Then it could do something like this. This is the ideal scenario. If it doesn't do that, it's going to do this. And that's also very simple. So pick a side, heads or tails, one of the two, and have good luck and good fun. Listen, on a coin like River, There is absolutely no gain to be made from this. Not at the current stage. Why? Look at where it is in the chart, man. It's exponentially up. Massively exponentially. Normally, you would have expected it if it went from here to here, this bottom 82% down. That's where you would have expect something like this to absolutely die. But now it's up 2,500%. 2,500. Bro. Check silver. Cryptic. For me, silver has no added value right now. Why? Because it's doing the same stuff, you know? It's having the same exponential move. And it's in price discovery. Everything that's moving either towards price discovery or is in price discovery or is moving completely irrational. No added value for me to even touch it with a pole. Can you look at SUI USDT? I will. Guys, we have a good 13 minutes left. So if everyone ever want to have something charted out, I'm in a SUI long. Hey, my friend, where's your entry? Bro, I think SUI is gonna test these levels. Why? This is top of the order block. That's interesting. If it doesn't hold here, you're in trouble. The next hold level is here. Upwards momentum will go to here, this volume peak. If I would chart something on SUI, if we're bullish, this might be your dream scenario. If we're bearish, it's gonna be this. But if we break this, it's gonna be absolutely here. It's gonna leave the damn screen. Because it is way bottoming beyond everything that we have remotely seen in quite a bit of time. So, I don't know where your entry is. What's the volume indicator you use? I use two products. It's aggregated trade. There we go. Oh, hello, Bitcoin. Aggregated trade. And I use the multi-distribution volume profile by Zierman. I repeat, the multi-volume distribution profile by Zierman. Oh, Bitcoin is doing a nice dumpy. Very nice. Everyone's seen it, written it down, etc. Don't forget, Trump is in Davos, the market is nervous. Listen, as long as Trump is in office, the market is absolutely nervous anyways. Ciao, bro. Ciao, Luca. XMR. XMR USDT P. Same shit. It should not have bounced here at all, to be honest. You have two areas of interest. It's the top of this order block. Might bounce a little bit higher here. And your next point of interest is here. And then you have some small in-between resistance here. Listen, this is in an absolute no man's land. Afternoon, boss. Afternoon, my friend. Any idea where would the BTC go close this month, man? I have no clue of BTC, to be honest. BTC is... Look at this bounce. Look at where it goes. It goes to $700. Boom, back up. It's not releasing liquidity to the downside yet. But BTC is in the same kind of issue, you know? Let's be honest. Let me redraw them. BTC has an order block here at the 90.3. BTC has a decent order cluster here, which we break through at the 92k region. BTC has a very decent order cluster at this region. Then at the top of it, this one and this one at this top. So it's pretty damn crowded. Let alone the 87k region and the Great Wall of 88, which is now moving liquidity-wise slightly to 89. So if you look at this demographically, Bitcoin is insanely crowded. The settings of the volume indicator. It's dwell time. So it's put on dwell time. Good morning, broski. I hope you're doing great. Could you please check Rose? Please review yours, bro, when you get a chance. Okay, last one is going to be Rose, because then we have 5 minutes left before the New York fire. Rose USDTP. It's nice having an absolute free charting. Wait, this coin holding pretty well. Problem is, it has a big gap, so either here or immediately to the top, there's no resistance in between. This one might form a little bit of resistance. So you have two chances. If New York pumps, it's gonna do this and either break out, or if New York doesn't pump, it's gonna be straight here, testing this one, grabbing liquidity, and probably testing this one. Clear? Everyone on board? What the fuck's Bitcoin doing? You can just see by the behavior in Bitcoin, everyone is absolutely nervous. Let's check the liquidations. Let's get some heat map action going. Let's look at the 30-day time frame. We now have 2 billion at 88. So 88 is only 2.8k away. 2.8k up is 93.6. We have 1 million. Or 1 billion. Guys, it's gonna be... Oh, I'm so excited for this. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's see if we can get any confluences on this indicator. Now we broke through the EMA lines. Let's even scale up higher. The next point that makes sense, and don't lynch me or kill me for this, is 82.9. The only real point with some real bearing and real value now is 82k. And I know that's not pretty. I know it's not nice. I'm gonna tell it on stream now. It's 83k. How's the music, guys? Can everyone hear the music? So in the 5 minutes, we're almost exactly 5 minutes out pre-New York fire. I can honestly not tell you what's gonna happen. What would be today's main course? Hopefully a shit ton of profit. Currently I'm not even leveraged, man. I'm not even in a position. We had a long weekend. We had a bank holiday on Monday. We had Uncle Donald going absolutely a-hole Sunday evening. So I cannot tell you guys. And that's also trading. Listen, not taking a position after you had a good move and good profit is also taking a position. I think we will take some positions today. Don't worry, guys. But right now we have to be sensible. Why? Because we can't scale in here. Voice is a bit low. Is my voice better now? Hello? How do I check when you entered in trade, buy or sell? You can see it absolutely on the screen. Or I update the Discord live of what I'm doing. So yeah, it's nice, send it lower. It might be. It's just me being absolutely honest with you guys. I can't tell. Everyone who says now that he can tell you a certain direction, after observing this price action also in the 30 minutes, is absolutely lying. Like by this, you can tell pressure is down. And look at how nicely it rejected the freshly drawn order blocks. But it completely skipped the 94k region. Look at this. Without retraces, without... Normally, you would assume 40%, 40 to 50%. 40 to 50% of a move normally gets retraced. So what would have made sense is from here to dump. We can agree on that, even though it's a 3-hour straight line. Oh, wait, let me delete this one. Let me start over. So 50% is the normal norm of retracement, right? So down, bounce a bit, bounce, 50% retrace to this middle court. Maybe bounce again, then continuation. Now, if I look at, I can't zoom out here. Then I have to do it like this. Now, if I look at the behavior of this one, it would make sense that we test this, go up slightly from here, and then go even lower to the 89k region. Why? If you look at the formation that's forming, it's not... Oh, not move the whole thing. You see, if we copy the same behavior, it would look something like this. 1, 2, 3, shift out. 1, 2, maybe 3, shift out. So, theoretically, based on the current pattern, down would make most sense. But we're leaving so many big gaps within this market, even on the 30-minute time frame. I don't know what to tell you. Look at hourly. Look at these two hourly candles. This is a headshot, my friend. 3.95%. That's an absolute shot in the head. Brain dead. This is a $3,600 move on one of the most stable crypto assets. It liquidated 6 to 7% spot move on other less unstable, stable assets. Right? So we're 1 minute out for the New York fireworks. Let's see what happens. Let's see what it brings. 403 viewers. Guys, before New York, let's get at least that half of the viewers press the like button. So at 162 likes, we're doing everything for free. Free Discord, free trading, free groups, free everything. Join the Discord at the top. And please, guys, help us out. Help me grow. Help me get there. Yeah. Press the like. Come on, it's free. Bro, do you know that I watch your live streams every day to learn English? I'm not native, so I don't know if that necessarily works for you. But yeah. Short all openings? We might. We might as well. How far are we out? 8, 7, 6, 5. 13 more likes. 3, 2, 1. Welcome, New York. Immediate, very interesting 5-second candle. Back to the 91. Let's see if we were actively rejected or what the plan is. I'm honestly expecting a stop on rise to the upside. So for me, theoretically, I would like to see the 91.7 get tested. If we move straight down from here, it's a whole other story, guys. Options defending? Yeah, might be. Ooh, nice volume influx. Did you see the green volume come in? The first action or the first order of business. That means that the pressure is still down. Look at the CVD. It's also still pressing down. Even at higher time frames. Let's say at the 5 minute is now neutral. But look at the higher time frames. What's happening? They're all pressing down. Even though price is doing a pretty okay job at still holding, to be honest. It's gonna pump and then bar down for the rest of the day. It might. We're gonna see, brand new. Ding, ding, ding. White keep DC the stream. I don't know what you mean by DC stream. 420 beautiful people in here. Can we ramp those likes up a bit more? Like, come on, guys. If you value the content, if you value what we're doing, if you value us as people, as traders, it helps us out more than you guys would ever expect. Due to the fact that we can actually start monetizing YouTube in the end. I will never change as a person, but it helps out me, it helps out my team, it helps all of us out. I don't know why it's lagged, man. Is anyone else having lag problems? The bitrate is fine, the stream out is fine as well. Everything on my end looks excellent. So that is a bit of a... It's a bit shitty, but yeah. I don't know what I can do. If anyone has a lot of knowledge about YouTube and can look into it together with me into my settings, I'm more than happy to screen share. No audio. But why does this shit keep happening? I think I'm getting nerfed by YouTube. I'm getting nerfed by the MMs and nerfed by YouTube. Ooh, nice red candle. Let's see what the follow-up action is. Bro, I have no internet issues. I think it's the 500. I think it's the 500 people resistance. I think it's the 500 people. The Wi-Fi is getting shit by a better pack. It's not my Wi-Fi, my friend. I will show the upload as well before everyone goes complaining. Yeah, it's all about the upload. We're dumping. Let's go. So as soon as we hit 450 viewers, the stream starts lagging, which is pretty annoying. But yeah, that should be fine, guys. It's the loss from too many people. You gotta buy a like in advance, individual thing. What? Yo, by the way, why are we looking at Max C? What the frick? Wait, what's happening? I had the wrong screen on, guys. Why did no one comment on the fact that I was looking at Max C? I completely missed this. So everyone is as sharp as can be, but we missed the fact that I had the wrong window on. And now I missed the 1k profit as well. Bruh. Oh. Amazing. I just screwed myself tremendously by just not paying any attention. That's mad. That's honestly mad. Mate, we aren't responsible for your screens. I know. I'm not saying you are responsible. I just said that I messed up, man. So it won't count. It's that easy. It won't count. I won't count it. Don't worry, guys. It won't count it. And I will try to close it as soon as possible. No harm, no foul. No one has to get his pennies up in a bunch. I didn't know I wasn't streaming it. So my apologies. No worry, guys. But that's why you guys weren't seeing any P&L or whatever. Yeah, I didn't have any real big positions. So it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I'll get out of this, and then everyone can chill a bit. Then we can relax. Let's see if it dumps more. Guys, it's my mistake. Don't worry. Chill out, everyone. No harm, no foul. Do I just market kill this, or are we going low? Yeah, I'll market kill it. No worries. Okay, it explains a lot. Yo, is everyone having that many issues? Or are we losing that many people in the stream, and am I that absolutely boring? Is this live trading? Yeah, you just saw it. It's absolutely live trading. Let's wait for this 5-minute candle to close. And we start... I think I'm gonna... Let's start scraping some profits out of this market. Sorry guys, I messed up. Didn't happen to me before. Thought you was long. When was I long? Sorry guys, my apologies. I don't know where my head was. Said SOBE, what happened? Thanks for showing. No, bro, my apologies. We, what the fuck? My bad. Supposed to long? No. Did he long or short? Guys, I'm not doing anything now. I closed off absolutely everything. We're reassessing the market. We're gonna take it from there. The stream keeps buffering. I logged in with another account on my phone and same issue there. Okay, we're pumping. How much was your biggest day in the 1k to 100k? I think 30k-ish. Maybe even slightly above. Yeah. Something like that. No problem with stream. All good over here. That's nice to know. Can you make it so that the window below where we see your position shows whether it's long or short? Bro, you know... Listen, you guys know that if it's red, it's short, and it's green, it's long, right? So if you look at the top position, you can actively see by looking if it's green or if it's red, what direction I'm trading at. The left box is 5 minutes, the right box is 5 seconds. So yeah. Ooh, that's a decent pump. Oh, good here. Good, good, good. Ooh. So we're still stuck in the range. Maybe you can put a note that says long or short. Listen, guys, I'm not gonna get completely out of my way. How do I say this politely? Maybe you guys can learn how to read. If you cannot determine based on the lines that will be on the screen and the movement of the position if I'm long or short, I don't think futures trading is something that you should pursue. Honestly. Just... honestly. I mostly remain silent trying to watch and learn, but wanted to let you know that what you're doing is amazing and I do have huge respect of your work. Keep going. Thank you very much, man. That's more than greatly appreciated. Are you serious? Am I serious with what? I can read, but the window has small delay. Yeah, but then me putting long or short on it will have the same delay, right? You say it every minute? No. You insult people so politely. Yeah, I'll do my best. Still struggling with 91k. I cannot tell you, dictated by theory or dictated by history, what I would expect to happen now. So again, it's got to be observing. Okay, you guys know why I'm not in a trade right now. I'm going to be honest with you guys. My TA and what I know about trading tells me to short it. But my gut says long. And that's a pretty difficult position to be in. So, yeah. I'm contradicting myself. I want to short it, don't get me wrong, I want to absolutely short it. Because if 90.8 doesn't hold, we are going to the abyss. But it's so obvious, you know? It's so insanely obvious. And I don't like obvious setups. And normally you guys have... Who was here? So type 1 in chat if you guys have heard me comment about the 96k region, that it was shady what was happening and I didn't trust it and I was one of the only people that was actively shorting the region. I sent when you enter trade, what is your vision, why take it, which conditions must align, what confirms entry, and how do you manage risk and invalidation. With this current thing, risk is off the charts and insanely high. Thank you, camera. That's better. Risk is insanely high, and I want to see volume and I want to see things align. I will explain what I'm looking for. But type 1, so you see all the ones, and right now, normally I can differentiate if volume or something is lying, and right now I just don't see it. There's so many people short. Everyone is absolutely shorting. And listen, it's the people that remain short are still saying, I'm right again, I'm this, I'm that, I'm yes, I'm yada, yada, yada. It's too easy, man. Okay, I'm gonna do it. With the $500 account, we're gonna open a 200x long, but I need DCA margin. Okay, I'm gonna do 50%. How can I show the position? Yeah, here I can show the profit. We're just going to do it. It's very, very small. It is completely separate from the challenge. So I repeat, it's separate from the challenge. I repeat, it's separate from the challenge. This is not the challenge account. It's separate from the challenge. But I want to be in a trade. I want to see how stuff develops. Big sell volume yet again. We're just going to risk this $500, man. I'm going to DCA in here. Let's see what happens. You might get already destroyed on this candle. Then we lost 500. Oh, well. Stuff happens. Did you just say this is not separate, meaning that this challenge account? This is a $500 200x long. And it's getting absolutely destroyed. And this is why right now I can't trade this. So we have to wait for something logical to develop. Let me explain what I look for. I look for contradictions or mismatches in the order book. And I don't mean that an order is not correct or whatever. I want to see CVD do something than the direction. And it's pretty funny because right now it looks like CVD is going up. Bro, I'm going to close it here. I don't want to get liquidated. So I have 180. It's a nice challenge for today. 187 margin left. Let's see if I can trade myself back out of this hole. Re-enter. Double bottom. Please don't liquidate me here. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh well. My biggest day in 1k was over 30k. More like triple bottom. Bro, it's the dump that keeps dumping, you know? And that's the thing right now. That's why only with the $500 we're just trying something, you know? But I see no discrepancies or no differences within the order book, you know? So CVD looks to slightly move up on a low time frame. Price moving down, so that's a bit odd. But it's neglectable, you know? Oh, it's gonna liquidate it, 100%. It can have it. Take the money, enjoy it, you know? We could try to long 90.2 with the challenge. But again, it's a big ass risk. Why everything looks to be aligned and there's no tell signs of something being off, you know? Normally I can tell you, oh wait, this is off because volume is not matching the direction. Or price shows something different than what it should actually be or what it should actually do. Yeah, it's gonna liquidate this. And that's completely fine. I don't know why this trade is still displaying. Might be a UI or UX issue. Can't even close it. Oh, there it is. Finally. We still have $26. That's a decent dump. Right into this order block. So, how much is liquidated? The question is, am I gonna take some more risk? I'm gonna try to actually long this back up. Or is it gonna annihilate this order block as well? It's not giving anything. Not giving at all. I'm gonna start scaling in really slow. Let's give it a 0.6% Bitcoin or 0.6 Bitcoin. Wrong screen again. This is gonna be a quick scalp, guys. I can tell you already. It's nothing that's gonna keep me here long. It just immediately pushed out. Yeah, it pushed out. It's pushing out of the range. This order block might hold it for a bit. Let's see if it does. Otherwise, we're going to 89k. This is the last hold level, and we have officially retraced the whole move up. Smack that back into the range. So GG's. We eating it back. Your TA was on target? Yeah, might very well be, guys. Should have put SOBA on my short. Oh, fuck. Yeah, it happens, guys. Up $100. I'm not feeling like fucking with this a lot. A lot of liquidity has been taken out. 80 million liquidated. Come on, I want to see one impulse candle back up. Let's see if it can give us that. That's a good candle. Immediate retrace and rejection. 190 bucks up. 220. I know it's a very small position. Let's take the 220 here, guys. So that made us a quick little cheeky $200. Does this mean we can short it here? It doesn't. What was the rationale for taking this trade? I just drew these order blocks at the beginning of the stream, live for everyone. I think everyone has seen me do this, right? Type 1 in the chat if you guys were here. I always mark it. And I like to see bounces on order blocks. And that's what I like to trade off. It's not a trade that's gonna hold up long, mostly. But look at it's almost the perfect bounce. How we always do order blocks, explain. I take my tool and I start drawing. I look where high areas of interest are. So I visually do it. If you look at this line, tapped here, now tapped here as well, tap the top here. If you extract it, it's the bottom of this one, it's the top of this wick, so that's a high confluence area. I could put one underneath here and I could put one more here because this is where it originated from and that's what it held up. So we can draw this one at these. This all hovered above it, which is interesting. So I don't think this one is gonna hold. It doesn't have enough significance to hold. My humble opinion as of right now. I don't think it has a significance. Guys, 240 likes, but 400 active, beautiful people viewing. Can we change that ratio? Do you use platforms like Exochart to look at the volume? No, I only use Aggregated Trade, which is completely free and completely open. We are building our own. So that's going to be released to the community pretty soon. Also, as you all know, for absolutely free. Hi, Keymaster. Yes, that was the challenge account, the last trade. And as you can see, the balance is at 4,600 now. But I will look after the stream where we put the balance at. If we reset something or what do we do, no issue there. Man, should have held the initial short, right? Because we got in at 91.2, I think. On 91k-ish. So that would have been a solid 0.8% move. But you win some, you lose some. Thanks a lot, we'll have a look at it. Modern Living should have, could have. What do you mean? Should have helped my short till 88k. Bro, I should have shorted 97 with 1,000 Bitcoin. ETH is not looking pretty. Oh my god. What the frig is happening here? Holy shot in the head. That's really rough. I think we're gonna dance around at this level a bit. Why we need to build a new order cluster here. And we casually wrecked 500 million in the last 24 hours. And casual 91 million in the last hour. Are fees in L-Bank higher if we put high leverage? No, the fees are actually pretty fine. But guys, we don't have an affiliation yet with L-Bank. We're working on it. So if you guys want to trade with me, wait, because it's better to use our affiliate link. You can have the VIP benefits and everything. But as of now, we're not affiliated with them officially. Probably yet. So please wait with onboarding. Wait with going there. And as soon as I can share news about the partnership, and if we have an official partnership, you're all heavily more than welcome to join us there. I would even advise you. I won't force you, but I will advise you. Can we get a full port challenge? Bro, I think I'm doing a full port challenge, man. I don't see a big difference between what I'm doing and a full port challenge, to be honest. Let's see how it develops. Bro, lag? No, I'm not lagging. I just wasn't talking. Did I freeze again? If anyone is really good with YouTube or YouTube settings, shoot me a DM, please. I need to get this fixed. Or... no, spot back makes no sense for me. Sorry, won't do a challenge on that. I only trade Bitcoin. GVK1. You know what's weird? Based on the volume, if we look at especially this volume cluster, I would say we're long. Bulls are actively stronger. Which is weird. It's a buffering. Okay, New York is approaching the 30-minute open mark. At the 30-minute and the 1 hour, we can mostly expect fireworks. So, when you get married, bro, I'm absolutely fucking single. So, at the 30-minute mark, we can expect some fireworks. Let's see what happens next. Give me a second here, guys. May the long trade be with you. I hope so. I honestly can't say right now where we're at, but I'm really excited for it. What I don't like on the 5 minutes is the fact that we have... it looks like 2 tries to break out, but it failed. Theoretically, we could short it here. Theoretically. But I feel the pressure of everyone gonna lynch me. So it's still theory. This would work. 3.3 RR, risk to reward. This is more than decent. Absolutely more than decent. Why? Because look at these wicks, man. It's trying and it has the volume, but it's not pulling it off, you know? It's going it, but yeah. It might. I swear this is gonna result in an absolute freaking snipe call of the 1.5% that it is heading. Oh man, it's already moving, isn't it? So again, I'm not taking it, but it's already 0.25% from where I called it. You guys can see the movement a bit bigger on that screen as well. It now first started tapping into the lower order block again. And don't forget, at 90.2 there's a lot of liquidity. So let's see if more got liquidated. That's not yet the case. Looks to be holding here as well. Pressure is still there. 455 viewers. Guys, you all are absolutely amazing. Please, if you like the content, if you like me streaming, if you like me being here, press the like button. Absolutely hammer that thing through the roof. It's typical YouTube. I hate YouTube. Do you notice the upload speed from speed test is like 1/4 of the download? That's the problem, I think. It might be, man. I I honestly can't tell you. It's lagging all Streamlabs. Can we trade you an L-Bank? You can manually press the same buttons as I'm pressing. Oh man. Oh man. Lagging reset router or something. Bro, it's not on my end. I don't know. It might be... I don't know what's happening. I might need to switch to Twitch or something. Let's see if that's better, but... Fucking annoying. It's really annoying because it's also costing me viewers. It's not good. Like, should I change the bitrate or something? Does anyone in stream know what's the goated bitrate settings or stuff like that? Since, yeah, 100%. Ooh, bounce. Now Arrogated is freezing up as well. Lovely. Gig is the best platform to stream. I'm gonna look into it. If that might be better for us to stream over there. Because this obviously is having some issues. Yeah, I will get my team on it and we will start checking. Let me type it directly. We keep lagging on YouTube. Have to investigate other streaming platforms. Yo guys, again, if anyone here is like a YouTube guru or really good at this stuff, please shoot me a DM and look into my settings if I can optimize something, if I can do something better. I'm just a dumb trader, so I'm gonna need some help. YouTube is the best for growth. Yeah, I know. Twitch, please. YouTube. Yeah, I'm getting nerfed by YouTube. I think the market maker code YouTube and was like, yo, bro, you cannot have this guy properly stream. Try 8 to 12 MB per second. Yeah, listen, I can go in Streamlabs and then do a video bitrate and audio bitrate, and I can have my encoder. I put my encoder at Apple H264. That might be best, apparently. Sun is leaving out of time as well. Would it help if I wait? Maybe my bitrate is too low. Should I move it up? Try CBR. I don't know what CBR is. Wat voor window heb je Streamlabs om te laten zien? I don't know. I know how to fix a problem, but my time is valuable, so 1 million. I don't know if that's a direct ban, or I'm just gonna let it slide. So should I set it to like 6K? If I up the bitrate, would that help? Ask ChatGPT. So should I up the bit rate? So what should I set it at? Like 6k, guys? Above 10k, but can YouTube handle above 10k? Bro, I'm fucking goated short. Holy shit. Why do I not take my own setups? The speed is high, I think above 10k. Upload rate is always much lower than download. Yeah. Lower the bit rate. Try 6k, yeah. So guys, do we want to restart the stream? Did I put it at 6k and we restart it? Why didn't you short? I'm trying to fix my YouTube in the meantime. Huh? It's like a spirit thing when you set up a trade for everyone else. Yeah. That's mad. I will long this, by the way. I think we're liquidating left, right, center. Whew. You shouldn't have to restart. No, it auto-updated. No, I can't change my stream settings now. I can't change it. Because of Streamlabs won't let me now. So I have to... You have the patience of a saint, thank you very much, my friend. Think 89 is not gonna hold? Might. Might. It's not lagging anymore, weirdly. Have to restart stream, but what would be like the preferred bit rate? Oh man, it's giving me headaches. Yeah, but I don't wanna lose followers. I'm not getting any lagging. Still the short from yesterday, 7x on the account, just TP'd and re-added. Yeehaw, cowboy! So good now, I don't think it's on your side, I'm thinking it's just YouTube. YouTube is just actively nerfing me. That's dog shit. I will set bitrate to 6k after the stream. Need to set a bitrate to 6k after stream. Done. It's bouncing, eh? Bitrate depends on what you stream. 1080. I'm streaming 1080, Uchi. Just reload, we will wait. I don't want to. I'm in my happy era. It's bumping back up. Ooh, that's a nice bump. So to be honest, I think it's other people's Wi-Fi stream is working perfectly for me. Yeah, whatever I... Bro, Matt, long push, yeah. Listen, whatever I can do, honestly, on my end, I'm willing to try it. I will put my bitrate to 6k, to 6k, and then we will see further. Guys, in the meantime, we're 22 likes away from 300. If you all would be lovely to me, press that like button. Yo, this is not looking bad for long. Damn too bad you did it long way you said. Yeah, I know. Said 90, 89.8. That's fine. Listen, I don't get caught up anymore in, oh, I missed this, I could have done this, I could have done that, I could have done X, Y, Z. Mine lagged for 5 minutes. Fucking hell. Yeah, that's bad. But yeah, no, the thing is, there's always a next trade, you know. And I'm gonna leave that here. And I know that there always is a next trade. So there's no harm, no foul. I'm gonna put on the first banger from the playlist again. Why do I want to reshort this? It feels like it's giving me a second attempt at 90.2 and this is just the first order of liquidations. Below at 89. I could risk the 600 balance that we have left, right? So, let's see. If I open a 1.5 Bitcoin short, I can have a $400 move against me. Is that enough? That's 0.3%. Yeah, we're gonna do that. What did it do? Oh, cancel. Market. 0.5 Bitcoin. Here we go. Orders, position, take profit. Yeah, 3%. Increase 0.4. Let's see if this is the play. If I can scrape some pennies out of this market. How long is your life today? Until I get bored of it. Or until I don't see anything to trade anymore. It all varies. If I'm enjoying myself and if everything goes well, I'm tuned in with the market, I can stream for quite long. Do it, man. Take the profit to improve your Wi-Fi. Bro, my profit is fine. Or my Wi-Fi, I mean. Sorry. Sorry for yelling, by the way. Come on, guys, hit it. Yeah, I agree with that. Hit the like button. I want to see it reject this order block again. It's a pretty tight ass stop loss. If we get a little bit of a short squeeze, I might get directly fucked. Guess it's a risk we have to take, right? I'm not trusting this, man. This is scary. But no risk, no Rory, right? Can't get into the server. I'm joined but can't access it, brother. Please help. Buddy, I'm live streaming for more than 400 people. I don't know how to help you right now. We shorten in capitals. It appears so. I don't like this. I definitely very, very, very much dislike this. The fact that it had this 15-second pump. Yeah, it's gonna fuck me. Listen, the trade I don't take goes in my favor, 0.7%. And as soon as I press the button and I'm talking to chat, we all know what is gonna happen. I'm gonna get absolutely destroyed by this trade. Like, instantly, probably. Because, yeah. That's Murphy's Law, I think. Did we go back to the first banger? My Wi-Fi seems to have issues. I highly doubt that my Wi-Fi has issues. I can even promise you that my Wi-Fi doesn't have issues. I applaud your calmness though. Thank you very much. I like my calmness as well. Keeps me calm. A nice wordplay. Oh, back to break even. Thank you. So now be a good coin and absolutely die. Please avoid using all caps in chat. Yes. 2, 1. What's coming after the 1? Turning up the beats a bit. Come on, down below this level. I want to see it break this. I want to see a retest of the lows. That's good. That's looking better. Retest, retest. Dump more, dump more. No green volume. Red. Red is the color of the day. Come on. Ooh, liquidation. Not good. Liquidations means absorption. I don't want to see liquidations happening. Not like this. Coinbase stepping in. That's important to see that Coinbase is actually in the same direction of the trade that we're executing. Guys, I'm pretty scared of today. And I can't really say where the market is going, what direction. So I'm gonna close this out pretty soon. I'm sorry. Because I'm just not trusting this. Oh fuck, I'm already too late. And before you guys with the lag are at the same point, it's okay. We have to see this development, I guess. Yeah, I guess we have to see how the bottom of this order block develops from here. Short or long? You must be fucking joking. Listen, for typing caps short and long, guys, and I don't like to be like this, but I have to be a bit stricter now as the chat is growing. So from asking 1 in caps and 2 short or long or questions like that, I'm gonna have to time out people. So my apologies, but you're timed out for 10 minutes now. Hard daily, it's like hard delay. Yeah. Bugging hard, lagging so much. Okay, I'm gonna restart the fucking stream, I guess. I don't know what else to do. It's fucking with my head, it's fucking with my positions, it's I'll be back in a minute.